Hey guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today I have for you 2025 Kawasaki KX 450X. So the X in that model name actually means it's a woods bike. So what they did was they took the same engine, transmission, and everything from the motocross platform and they turned it into a wood style bike. So on this bike you're going to get a kickstand. You're also going to get an 18-inch rear wheel, so you can run a little bit of a bigger tire, so it's going to keep you away from getting pinch flats. You also have a larger rear sprocket on this bike, which is really going to give you some extra oomph down low when you're riding single tracker on the trails. Aside from that, you're going to get a little bit of softer Showa suspension, and then it's just the same bike as the Motocross 450. You still have the hydraulic clutch, the Brembo front brake. You got the Nissan rear brake with the bigger rotor, and it's the all-new engine. Everything on the inside of that engine's brand new exhaust system, so it's designed for maximum airflow, which means maximum power. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take a look at it, and take it home.